Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to insert and save your signature in a Word file. Here I have an example of Leave application and would like to put signature at the bottom of it. To add your signature, go to the Insert tab, then choose Picture from this device. Now, add a picture of your signature. Next go to Picture Format and choose Behind Text option. Adjust its size to fit the space on the page. Then, switch the picture color to black and white. To save your signature for future use, select the specific area and go to Insert tab. Now, click on Quick Parts. Choose Save Selection to Auto Text Gallery. Write any name you want. Now, open a new document, go to Quick Parts again, and you'll see your saved signature here. If you want to remove your saved signature, just right-click on it, and select the Organize and Delete option. Now simply delete your signature permanently. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any queries, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more useful tips and tutorials.